I want to show you how to make animated neon text in Premiere Pro. Begin by selecting the Type tool and typing in your text. Then, head over to Essential Graphics and make whatever changes that you want. Go down to Fill and select a color that you want for your neon text. Duplicate your text layer by holding Alt and clicking and dragging above. Now, go to Effects and find Gaussian Blur and add it to the duplicated clip. Under Effect Controls, increase the blurriness to 150 and click on the stopwatch button. Move your timeline slider ahead 1 second and change blurriness down to 40. Continue doing this, alternating between 150 and 40 every second for as long as you want the effect to last.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.